Your body wants you to be healthy and detox. So the best way for you to detox is to live sort of a clean life. Should you cleanse or detox your body? You know, the idea of cleaning out all this gunky, icky stuff in our bodies by drinking these concoctions with honey and cayenne pepper and water, or fasting or juicing, it seems like a good idea, doesn't it? But in fact, it's not a good idea. It can be really unhealthy to do that, and it can cause a lot of problems. Your body detoxes itself every second of every day. Your kidneys, your liver, even your lungs. Your body wants you to be healthy and detox. So the best way for you to detox is to live sort of a clean life. And I'm not saying you have to be a Pollyanna about it. You just want to eat healthy food every day. Fruits, vegetables, all fruits are good, all vegetables are good, all beans are good, all whole grains are good. These are foods that will help your body do the detoxing it needs and support those detox functions that are naturally in your body, and also staying well hydrated, drinking plenty of water. This will all help keep your body buzzing, healthy, and keep that immune system strong.